Hey guys, cooldomino here. The reason why my SD10 is over here is because I decided to move it out of the way of my fire alarm board because today is actually National Fire Alarm Day. It is every year of October 14th. So let's go ahead and get started by going over the devices here. So starting with the pull stations, I have my Johnson Control JBG12LX. I don't even remember what system test number this is. I'll put it on the screen right now. So this is a Johnson Control JBG12LX on a conventional system. This is the RMS1T T-bar right here, and this is the Simplex 4251-20 T-bar on top with a Simplex test station, which I had it for a while, and I brought back the emergency pull station, and I'll get to that in a sec. Coming up here, I have my Wheelock MT set to temporal 3, my Spectre Alert Advance set to low volume, 15 candela, and also temporal 3, and my Wheelock RSS. Now you're wondering why there's a blank spot right here for supervisor. Well, because I have this connected to supervisory right here. I'm not sure what the model is on it. If you know what the model is, please leave the name down in the description below. Other than that, let's go ahead and get ready to start pulling stuff. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and get started by pulling the JBG12LX. So here we go. Alright, let's go ahead and reset the pull station. See if I could do this one-handed. And we're going to go ahead and reset from the panel. Alright, I'm going to set these keys down because I have my other set right here, which will work a little better. Alright, next pull station we're going to activate is the RMS1T. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. And let's just go ahead and reset this pull station. Takes a hex key. And then now, the Simplex 4251-20. Probably what I'll do is I'll pull it first, and then I'll key activate it because I haven't key activated something in a while. So here we go. Alright, let me see if I can try to find my Cat 30 key. Where is it? Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Alright. And we're going to reset from the panel. Alright. We're going to go ahead and lock this up. And we're going to go ahead and smoke test the smoke detector right here. And we're going to be using the smoke saber today. So here we go. We have plenty. There it goes. We have to leave that there to air out. Alright, just going to give it a couple seconds to reset while I explain this. So, this is the emergency push station right here you may have seen from my last video, the MS190. I will put that video up in the card right now. And we're going to go ahead and activate the emergency push station. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. I don't know why it does that though, like it loses pitch though, but here is a compilation right here of all the alarms I own going off though. So I'm going to do a compilation of one of every alarm going off for all tones, or if it's a multi-tone one. So here's that right now. Alright, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed, please make sure you give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and happy National Fire Alarm Day, and I'll see you in the next video.